Yeah. So what we are discussing is so we have seen such protocols. So guarantees that there will never be going, because at most one station is contending for any strat. So the next president is again two stations per group. The probability that both will try to transmit during the slot is P2, P square, which for a small p is negligible. Okay, which for a small p is again negligible. Okay, so p square. So the probability that two statements transmit during a slot is p square. So which is for a small p is negligible. Okay, so as far as more and more stations are assigned to the same slot, the probability of collision grows, but the length of the bitmap scan need to get everyone is shrinks. Clear? So the limiting case is a single group containing all stations. Okay, this is about the limited. This is about the contention protocol. Now we will see the first protocol, that is adaptive tree walk protocol in limited contention protocols. What is the first protocol? Adaptive tree walk protocol. So one particularly simple way of performing the necessary assignment is to use algorithm devised by the US Army for testing soldiers for syphilis during World War II. So in short, the army took a blood sample from N soldiers. A portion of each sample was poured into a single test tube. So this mixed sample was then tested for antibodies. If none were found, all the soldiers in the group are declared healthy. If antibodies were present, two new mixed samples were prepared, one from soldier, one through N by 2, and one from the rest. The process was repeated recursively until the infected soldiers were determined. Until the infected soldiers were determined. అర్థమైందండి. సో ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ అడాప్టివ్ ట్రీ వర్క్ ప్రోటోకాల్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి అంటే యుఎస్ ఆర్మీలో అందరు ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అయ్యారా, ఎవరు ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అయ్యారు, అసలు ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ ఉందా లేదా సోల్జర్స్ లో, కొద్దిగా బ్లడ్ శాంపుల్స్ ఒక్కరి దగ్గర తీసుకొని ఏం చేశారంటే దే కంబైన్ ఆల్ ది బ్లడ్స్ అండ్ టెస్టెడ్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫైన్ మీన్స్ నో వన్ ఈస్ ఇన్ఫెక్టెడ్. అదర్వైజ్ వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ, ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు గంపు ఉందండి, గంపులో పళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి, ఈ గంపులో ఏ పండు కుళ్ళిపోయింది, సో ఎలా చేరుస్తాం, లేదా ఏ పండు తక్కువ వెయిట్ ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు బంగారం ఉంది, దొంగ బంగారం ఉండొచ్చు, సో ఏది తక్కువ వెయిట్ ఉంది, సో హౌ వి డిటర్మైన్, సో సగం సగం చేస్తాం అనమాట. అంటే ఆడ్ వన్ ఏదో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో విచ్ ఈస్ ద ఆడ్ వన్ అవుట్, సో దాట్ వీ కెన్ డూ యూజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్. ఓకే, ఒకదాని వెయిట్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది, సో అది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, సో వెయిట్ యూజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్. అలానే ఈ టెస్టింగ్ ఎలా చేస్తుంటే 1 నుంచి N/2 అంటే ఒక 100 శాంపుల్స్ తీసుకున్నాం, అన్ని కలిపి టెస్ట్ చేసాం. సో వాట్ వి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఈజ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఈజ్ హెల్దీ. నెక్స్ట్ 100 నుంచి చేసాం, 50 చేసాం. క్లియర్? సో ఏం చేసాం, 100 నుంచి 50 చేసాం. సో 50లో ఎదుగుతాం. ఇప్పుడున్నారనుకోండి ఈ 50ఏ శాంపుల్, ఈ 50ఏ. సో దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ అడాప్టివ్ ట్రీ వర్క్ ప్రోటోకాల్. Okay, so it is convenient to see the stations as connecting stations as leaves of the binary tree as illustrated as in figure. So in the first contention slot, following a successful slot 0, all stations are permitted to try to acquire the channel if one of them does so. If there is a collision, then during slot 1 only those falling under node 2 is the in the tree may complete. అర్థవుతుందండి. In the first continuous slot, following a successful frame transmission, that is slot 0, all stations are permitted to try to acquire the channel. If one of them does so, fine. Okay, one of them does so, fine. Otherwise, what happens is if there is a collision, then during slot 1, only those stations falling under node 2 in the tree may complete. So on tree చూడండి, level 0, level 1, level 2. So first single station వెళ్ళిపోయింది. తర్వాత okay, so if one of them acquires the channel, the slot following the frame is reserved for those under node 3. Okay, if on the other hand 2 or more stations under node 2 want to transmit, there will be a collision during slot 1. Here 2, 2, 2, 2. Clear? So this is the way of doing these things in adaptive tree walk protocol. Okay. So whenever if a collision occurs during slot 0, collision రాకపోతే స్టేషన్ కి ఛానల్ అలాగే చేస్తాం. అదే కొలిజన్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, కొలిజన్ స్లాట్ అప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాం, నెక్స్ట్ స్టేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి కాంపిటీషన్ కి. సో వాటికి స్లాట్ 1 లో ఏం ఫ్రీగా ఉంటే ఛానల్ ఇచ్చేస్తాం. అదే స్లాట్ 1 లో కూడా ఉందనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, then node 2, if there is a collision, then during slot 1 only those stations falling under node 2 in the tree may compete. So node 2 లో ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో సో ఆ స్టేషన్స్ ఏ కాంపీట్ అవుతాయి. క్లియర్? Okay. If one of them acquires the channel, the slot following the frame is reserved for those stations under node 3. ఇంకా మళ్ళీ node 3 వస్తాయి మిగిలిన స్టేషన్స్ అన్ని. If on the other hand, 2 or more stations under node 2 want to transmit, there will be a collision during slot 1, in which case it is node 4's turn during node 4's turn during slot 2. Okay, ఇక్కడ మన స్లాట్స్ నోడ్స్ అండి. స్లాట్ నోడ్, స్లాట్ 0 వెళ్ళిపోయింది, స్లాట్ 1, slot 2, node 2, slot 1, node 2. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఒకటైతే ఓకే, ఇంకో నోడ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ నోడ్ 3 కూడా ఉంది అనుకోండి, రెండు కాంపిటెంట్. సో ఇక్కడ నోడ్ 2 సక్సెస్ అయింది, నెక్స్ట్ కమ్ ఇన్ స్లాట్ 2, నోడ్ 3 కమ్స్ ఇన్ స్లాట్ 2. అర్థమవుతుందండి? If there is a collision, then during slot 1 only those stations falling under node 2 in the tree may compete. So node 2 లో ఉన్నటువంటి stations compete అవుతాయి. ఓకే, అదే ఈ one of them acquires the channel, the slot following the frame is reserved for those stations under node 3. So node 3 లో కూడా స్టేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, if on the other hand 2 or more stations under node 2 want to transmit, there will be a collision, in which case it node 4's turn during slot 2. Node 4, node 3 లో ఇక్కడ కూడా node 4 కూడా ఉంది అనుకోండి, now it is a turn for node 4. Okay, in essence, if a collision occurs during slot 0, the entire tree is searched. ఎక్కడైనా కొలిజన్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి స్లాట్ 0, ఇక్కడ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నోడ్ slot, the entire tree is searched depth first to locate all ready stations. Each bit slot is associated with particular node in the tree. If a collision occurs, the search continues recursively with the node left and right children. అర్థమైందండి? If a collision occurs during slot 0, the entire tree search depth first to locate all the ready stations. Each bit slot is associated with some particular node in the tree. Okay, each bit slot with some particular node. If a collision occurs, the search continue recursively with the nodes left and right children. Okay, if a bit slot is ideal or if only one station transmitted, the searching of the node can stop because all the stations have been located. When load on the system is heavy, it is hard worth the effort to dedicate slot 0 to node 1, because that makes sense only in the unlikely event that precisely one station has a frame to send. Similarly, one could argue nodes 2 and 3 should be skipped as well for the same reason. So at what level in the tree should the search begin? So that is the question. So clearly, the heavier the load, the farther down the tree, the search would begin. So we will assume that each station has a good estimate of the number of ready stations, for example, for monitoring the recent traffic. Okay, so to proceed, let us number the levels of the tree from node 1 in figure to node 1 in figure 14 at level 0. Node 1 in figure 11 at node 0. So here, okay, this is for um, node level 0, node 1 in figure at level 0. Here, level 0 ఏముందండి node 1. 1 అంటే node 1 అండి. 1 అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ node 1. అలానే nodes 2 and 3 are at level 2. Node 2. This is node 2. Node 2, node 3 are at level 2. Okay. Node 2 are at level 1. So know that each node level has a fraction of 2 power minus a of the stations below it. So node 2 ki endi 4 A B C D. Node 3 ki 4. Okay, ala node 4 ki 1 by 2 power minus I. 2 power minus 2 ante 4. Okay. So each node at level I has a fraction of each node at level I has a fraction of 2 power minus a of the stations below it. Okay. If q ready stations are uniformly distributed, the expected number of them below a specific node at level I is just 2 power minus q into q. Okay. Formula ఏంటంటే expected number expectation of x is power minus I into number of 2 power minus I into number of levels. That is q. 2 power minus if q ready stations are uniformly distributed. So q is the number of stations uniformly distributed. N P and D. U equal to N into P. N ante number of stations. Q ikkada. P ante probability is 2 power minus I. P is probability is 2 power minus I. Clear? So that is about this. So one at corresponding. So you would expect the optimum level to begin searching the tree would be at one at which is the mean of the contending slot is 1. That is the level at which 2 power minus I q is 1. Okay. So this should be equal to 2 power minus I into q equal to 1. This is equal to I equal to so 2 power I equal to 2 power I equal to q implies I equal to log q base 2. Log q base 2. This is what the important observation here. I equal to log q base 2. Clear? So numerous improvements to this algorithm, numerous improvements to the basic algorithm have been discovered and more discussed. So for example, can each of the stations G and H being the only wanting to a node 1 a collision will occur, so to and try discover ID. So it is pointless to probe nodes 3, node 3 since it is guaranteed to have a collision. So the probe of 3 can be skipped and 6 tried next. Okay, and tried next. When this probe also turns up nothing, so 3 తర్వాత 6 తర్వాత 7 అట్లా సెర్చ్ చేసుకుంటా వెళ్తాం అన్నమాట. ఓకే, క్లియర్? అర్థం అడాప్టివ్ ట్రీ ప్రోటోకాల్. సో మీరు తెలుసుకోవాలి అంటే నోడ్స్ స్లాట్స్ అండి. Okay, at each level 2 power minus I ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి 4 1 2 3 2 power minus I stations below it. At know that each node at level I. So ఇక్కడ 2 power minus 2 1/4. Here, అర్థవుతుందండి. So number of levels into work done per each level. So work done per each level is not NP, which is wrong. So 2 power minus I into Q. How we got this? Number of levels into number of into 2 power minus I into Q. Okay. Clear? So we will discuss further discuss in the next coming classes. Thank you.